Good morning, gentlemen, and a beautiful morning it is too. Now, I know we are trying to do higher mathematics in circumstances that are very far from ideal. We're stuck with it, and we have to make the best of it. I'm asking you to do some work at home at the moment that's pretty important. I'm not taking us to excellence levels, I'm not doing advanced stuff, we're doing groundwork. Hopefully, in a couple of weeks' time, we'll be back. And when we do, if we get this work done, we'll be able to hit the ground running and catch up like that. Now, let's have a look at what we do today. My cunning plan, can you see that okay? Yeah. I am going to eat some lollies. I've got red, yellow and green, and I want to know what they taste like. Now, what I'm going to do is do this experiment with replacement. With the replacement, what that means is I'm going to put my hand in, pull out a lolly at random, yellow one, taste it, delicious, and then replace it. Do it again, take one at random, have a look, taste it, replace it. Anyone fans? No? Okay, fair enough. Because I am going mad with boredom, being stuck in the house all day, I want to do a bit of a probability experiment. I'm going to calculate the chances of me getting certain colours. Right, stick my hand in at random. I want to know what's the probability of getting a red one. Well, how many red do I have? Three. How many do I have altogether? 3 and 5 yellow is 8, 7 green is 15. Yeah, 3 over 15, 3 out of 15. And if I want to be clever, I can simplify that to 1 over 5. A 1 in 5 chance of pulling a red one out at random. Okay, well, what's the probability of pulling out a yellow one or pulling out a green one? Either, I don't care. Well, what's the probability of getting a yellow one? 5. What's the probability of getting a green one? I've got 7 green and I've got 15 altogether. When I see the word or in probability, or means add the probabilities. So I'll add these two fractions. 5 over 15 plus 7 over 15 is 12 over 15. Again, if I want to simplify it, that would simplify to 4 over 5. Pretty good chance of getting either a yellow or a green one. Now, I am going to pull out 2 lollies, taste them, replace it, take a second one, taste it, replace it. What I want is to pull out a red one first, then a green one. So what I want is a red and a green. What's the probability of getting a red? 3 over 15. And the chance of getting a green is 7 over 15. Now, and when I hear the word and in probability, I'm going to think times. Multiply the probabilities. 3 times 7 is 21. 15 times 15 is 225. And I can simplify that. That would be 7, I believe, and that would be 75. Either or. If I see the word or, add the probabilities. If I see the word and, multiply them. Now, I've just been told that in light of the coronavirus epidemic, And apart from the fact it's just downright unhygienic, I should not really be putting lollies in my mouth and then putting them back in the lolly jar. So this time I'm going to do it without replacement. There. Without. Okay. Now, same rules apply, but there's just the slightest wee difference this time. What's the chance of me getting the probability of pulling out a red one, then, red, then yellow? Right. That's a bit of a mess, I apologise guys. As I said, these are very far from ideal circumstances. Red, then yellow, that's a bit neater. Okay, pulled out a red one. What's the probability of getting a red? 3. How many do I have? 15. Now, if I pulled out a lolly and I've eaten it, a red one, gone, swallow, how many are left in the jar? There's only 2 red ones now. So that's 2, 7, 14. My probability is now going to be out of 14 for the yellow one. 5 yellow, 14 left in the jar because I've swallowed one, and I'll do times. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 times 14 is 210. And that's going to be 3 out of 42. What's the probability of getting a yellow, then a green? Same again, guys. What's the probability of getting a yellow one? 5 out of 15. And how many green do I have? 7. But because I've already taken a yellow one out without replacement, I've only got 14 left. There. Multiply my 2 fractions together, and that's 35 over 210. There. And I can simplify it again if I want to. Gents, that's the basics of it. Now, as I said, each question usually comes in 5 or 6 parts. First, A, B, C are usually kind of achieved standard. Middle ones are usually merit. The end ones are excellence. I'm not too concerned about us learning this at home by ourselves and aiming for excellence. If you get that far, brilliant. But I'll stress, what I want us is to learn the basics. We can worry about putting all the nice finishing touches on it when we get back. But if we're back in a couple of weeks' time and we're up to speed with the groundwork, things will be easier for us. I can't stress enough, keep working through that book. Put a pen in the answer pages at the back. Every 2 or 3 examples you do, have a double check. Am I getting this right? Good. If you're not and it isn't making sense, get in touch with me, please. I'm also conscious of the fact that you're getting 20, 30, 40 emails a day, other teachers demanding Zoom conferences, Canvas, EdPerfect, God knows what. All I'm asking you is this: on those days when you've got maths, open that book, look at this video, and keep in touch with me. Send me an email, let me know how you're getting on. Guys, I'll be in touch quite soon. Thanks for your patience, good luck to you, and we'll speak very soon. All the best.